How to blur background in CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do that. First thing you're going to do is import a video on your timeline. And then from here, you are going to have to create an overlay for this. So press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V again. Now you can align it so that it creates an overlay of the video. Now on the top video, you're going to select it and then click on this option, remove background, and then use the auto removal option. Now it's processing. It depends on the length of the video as well as your internet speed. So just wait for CapCut to automatically cut out the subject of the video. And as you can see here, the auto cutout has been completed. So now what you can do is hide this bottom layer and it will show you the cutout of the video. So all you have to do now is apply the blur effect on the bottom video. So let's just unhide it again. Go to this video option and then select effects. Go to lenses and then search for a blur lens. So what you can do is just go to search for effects and then search for blur. It will show you the blur effect. Now you can just drag and drop it on the second video right here. Now the blur effect has been added. You could edit the intensity of the blur depending on the effect. So you could also do another blur. So let's remove the previous blur and add this one so that there is an option to adjust the intensity of the blur. So let's say if I want the background to be something like this, I could easily choose the blur effect throughout the video. And that's how you easily blur background on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.